CeeLo, you did? Sell Mofo Stunner, aka Mr. Charlotte. You did? Yeah. Yo, this ain't no big meat hoe, this is CeeLo. I play basketball with that give and go. I got that kind of flow, I got all kind of flows. You know how I do it, tell them girls to drop it low. I got a white tee and some Jordans on. I'm still macking nigga when I get my roll on. Yeah, I'm so cool, you a damn fool. You might see me homeboy, don't make a move. I got them goons around me, yeah they air well. And I got that grit tree growing like the dreads in my hair. Y'all niggas ain't ready for me, I'm a fucking beast. 6 on the top, bottom, that's a 12 piece. So what you talking about? Nigga, what the talk about? You from the north, homeboy, I'm reppin' for the south. Yeah, it's Young Money, I got all kind of money. Y'all niggas fucking phony, yeah, I don't fucking know ya. This is a freestyle, this ain't no funny shit. Yeah, I'm something special, something like the president. Nigga, I got them all white. And if you got that money, I'ma run it all night. It's CeeLo ho, who you fucking is. You know who I do, handle my business. I'm so stupid, but I'm so for real. You know how I do it, shout my nigga T-Real. It's so easy, to my bro Breezy. You know how I play, shout my nigga 9 Trade. Just like that, from the bottom of the map. Concord, how my nigga G-Mac. What y'all niggas talking about? Y'all want war? Y'all don't want that shit. Killing noise. I'm so cool, so smooth. Yeah, you know how them players do. The beats is playing, and I'm just spitting. You know how I do. Now this shit is fucking written. Yeah, they say it's BMF. Nah, it's CBM, nigga, take it to the left. I'm in the crack doors, in the hallways. I got that shit bumping, nigga, all day. 360 fucking 5, I do it all year. No teardrops, nigga, I don't pump no fear. Yeah, this the freeloader, you know what I'm saying? Just do a little something, you know what I'm saying? Don't be alarmed, niggas, you know what I'm saying? But I'm coming, you dig? Yeah, Mr. Take Your Bitch. Get it?